Hi guys, please subscribe my channel and like this video if you want to like. Let's today I'm going to say play. Today I'm going to show how to play Subway Surf. First, let's play this game. Now I'm going to play it. I'm jumping. You can jump or slide under it. I get a E of C. We can get missions. I get the A and it's fill up C. C means ocean or a small place of ocean. I get this rocket. It's over. Shit, I get finished. Let's see what is it. I get 500 coins. My mission is complete. I want to double it. If you see a video, the coin will be double. This video is over. I get the double. Tap to continue. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and like this video. If you want to see another games how to play, you will comment please. Then I will try to see you how to play that game. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye guys.